Halo repengrang remcaksua ya getalgepa video na ya getalgepa video yan Japanuni ribagepa bisong ga sui aganahan asong bisongni aganako bonni kenabo aro bisongni one skill development marike kamka marike chusoka yarangko panggija bisong misoka ngaha repengrang na asong ni ranagta mangen repengrang dikemungna je mandirangin ya video ko getarang ni suengecem mangi channel ku dakchake donang na golpana repengrang ndak emungna namnuko de share ka pabor pengrang nasimangni ye video ko boni nisuna.
This is Tomo Ishihara from Japan.
皆さんおはようございます。Nice to meet you. My name is Tomo. I'm from Japan. I'm in JSX at Guwahati for the Youth for Japan program.
Respected Sri Conrad Sangma-san, respected Sri Ram Kumar sir, Sri Jagdish Chalani sir, Sri Songate, and all other officers of the Government of Meghalaya, institutional heads, ladies and gentlemen, and my student fraternity. I'm honored to be here to be at the Meghalaya Job Fair to share with you some of the experience that we have had in placing people or candidates from the Northeast into Japan. We are a small startup recognized by Government of India DIPP based out of Guwahati. We started this journey in 2019. Like many of you, today I personally also moved out of my comfort zone from the pristine hill station of Shillong, graduated from St. Edmund's School in 1973 and went to the deserts of Pilani. And I would request you today to keep this in mind, that unless you all move out from your comfort zone and have that fire in the belly, as Mr. Ram Kumar said, to bring this remuneration to the state, it is a great opportunity that all of you have. Our journey began with a simple yet powerful vision to equip, and what you see here is one of our employers in Japan, located in an island or in an area called Miyakanozo. Miyazaki, for many of you, has one of the world's best beasts that is available in the world. So we are giving the people the equipment to be able to skill themselves, experience to thrive in a global environment, and also to work their way through a powerful repatriation income. Over the past few years, we have successfully placed numerous young people from the Northeast in various sectors in Japan, which is ranging from healthcare, agriculture, building maintenance, and hospitality. Due to paucity of time, I will not narrate all the stories, but you are most welcome to visit our stall and have a look at some of the candidates who have been placed. These are some of the people who are working there. Last few months have been a very emotional journey for many of us. When we hear and we get messages from parents, especially mothers with voice messages, expressing their happiness at what their children have been able to achieve and what money their children are able to repatriate to them, it's really, really heartrending, and it's really something that we feel we are doing from our heart and giving benefit and making an impact to a lot of youngsters. We do hope that along these years we will be able to create greater impact, because we are only based in the Northeast and we are only connecting two geographies, the Northeast and Japan, with a complete focus. Our path is not without challenges. There are huge challenges. There is language barriers. There are other challenges, cultural challenges, etc. To augment this, we have now decided, and we have two Japanese natives, one of them who is with me in Tura, who are based now in Guwahati, and will also assist in building this program with a more focused approach, both from a language and culture, which is very, very important to be imbibed in the youth. I do hope that you all will look at this opportunity. We are looking at Japan. We are not only looking at nursing care, we are looking at agriculture, hospitality, building maintenance. There are many others which you come to our stall, you'll see there are 14 other vocations that people can go for, but maybe we are not able to possibly do all of them. I once again thank the organizers, MSSD, and everybody here to giving us this opportunity to be able to present in short of what we have achieved, what we dream, and what we intend to do. Thank you so much.